Before beginning the questions for pages 23 through 34 of Night by Elie Wiesel, please begin by putting both your name, first and last, and your homeroom at the top of your paper. This assignment is worth a total of 65 points. The directions for the comprehension questions tell you to answer the following questions after reading the pages of Night indicated above. All short answer and extended response questions must be answered in complete sentences. Question 1 says, what actions do those who choose not to go on tasting the bitterness of fear take on page 24? What do they have to be afraid of? Explain. So for this question, I'm asking you to do several things. First, I'm asking what actions are taken by the people who choose not to go on tasting the bitterness of fear. I'm asking you what it is that they have to be afraid of. And I'm also asking you to explain why they are afraid. Question 2. How do the others treat Madame Schachter? Why do they treat her this way? I'm asking you to do two things. I want to know first how they treat her, but I also want to know why they treat her this way. 3. What is the first thing the prisoners see when they get to Birkenau? What do they smell? So I need to know the first thing the prisoners see and the first thing that they smell. 4. Who are the SS men and what do they do? So I want to know two things, both who they are and what it is that these SS men do. 5. How do Elie and his father get separated from Mother and Zipporah? 6. Why don't the younger men go through with their escape attempt? 7. What lies do Elie and his father tell to Dr. Mengele and why? So for question 7, I want to know what lies are told, but I also want to know why the lies are told. Question 5, 6, and 7 are all in the text. These questions require nothing more than close reading of the text on the page.